Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X7D, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, like so. This will bring down a bunch of toggles, which one of those toggles should be the hotspot one. Let's see how long it takes me to find it. Oh, there we go. It's right here. Now, if you don't see it in this list, you can swipe down and it will also extend it, or you can click right here in the middle button, and this will show you toggles that are turned off. So from here, when you find your hotspot, you could hold it and then drag it and drop it. Click on done and it should now be in this list. Now anyway, once you see your hotspot, which for me is right over here, I'm gonna hold it. You want to do it first time around, as this will take you to the settings. In here you can see we have our hotspot password. It is a fully randomly generated password, so I recommend clicking on it and getting rid of it entirely, and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now, that can be letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to click on OK to save these changes. Additional info that you can change right here is the hotspot name, which by default will be the name of the phone. So you can change it to whatever you want. This is going to be the name that will be showing up in a Wi-Fi list. Now under more, we have the option to change the AP band. Now we have two options, 2.4 or 5 GHz, and I like the fact that they actually give you a quick description. So 2.4 is better compatibility, while 5 is faster network speed. Now in general, if you don't know what this is, I recommend keeping it at 2.4. This is usually what will be, like the message says, more compatible. And additionally, it's mobile network. You're not getting blazing speeds right here. Even on 5G connectivities, I get network speeds between like 3 to 30 megabits per second, like right next to a 5G tower. So those speeds aren't fast enough to cap to 2.4 network even. So 5 gigahertz is just redundant in reality. So I recommend maybe sticking with this one. Another thing is duration. This will define how long the hotspot runs for when it's not being used, at which point it's going to automatically turn itself off. And security, I recommend keeping as it is. Last thing that I want to talk about is the data limit. Here you can select a hard limit for how much data can be used by the person that is connecting to your hotspot. Now hotspot is going to strictly use your mobile network, meaning if you have a low gigabyte data plan, you might want to set some kind of hard cap on this one, whatever you want, just so you don't exceed it. And depending on where you might live, your provider just might want to screw you over and just, you know, continue charging you after you surpass this. So in such a cases, you definitely want to utilize this. Now I live somewhere where I don't have this problem, so even if I were to, you know, use up all my bandwidth, my provider just lowers it down to like, I don't know, half a megabit per second, which is nearly unusable, but I don't get charged extra. Or alternatively, what I have right now, I have just unlimited, which doesn't really matter. So this would, for me, be kind of redundant. But like I said, in your case, this might be very important. Anyway, moving on, we can just close this now. And let's find this toggle once more. And this time around, you're just going to tap on it to turn it on. Now, when you turn it on, this hotspot should appear on another device. So let me just kind of whip out my device, and there we go. It's right here. You can see Honor. I didn't click on that one. There we go, Honor X7D. So this is this network, and if I connect to it, there we go. So you can see it's now connected. I should have some info. Oh, there we go. You can see there's a 1. So it's now letting me know that there's one person connected. Right here, connected devices. Tells me also the device. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.